Guys, what's up? It's Emily here. So I have an unboxing haul for you guys from Hot Topic. I ordered a bunch of Night for Christmas stuff and I'm super excited. There was one thing I didn't get that involves Night for Christmas, and of course this item somehow didn't get to me. It was a whole big confusing thing. So that kind of sucks, but rest of my stuff came and I'm excited about. So yeah, I'm gonna open it for you guys, and my camera's somewhat dying, so hopefully I'm able to fit this all in, but I'm super excited. So let's open it up. I have to turn it this way because the address is at the front. So Hot Topic came out with such really cool stuff. It is, I'm gonna upload this in October, so it is actually September as we speak. So it's been a while, but I'm here and I'm gonna open this up. That's loud. Just to let you know, it's really late at night. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's see. Oh my goodness, I love this already. So first of all, I got this, which I think is so cute. It's a 15% off little thing, and of course it's Night for Christmas. Fits along with my thing. So this is what the box looks like. So cute. I'm gonna go and take a photo of this because it is adorable. So I took a photo and I just really love how they package it. It is so nicely neat and organized in there. So yeah, so of course I took this thing out. And so the first item here is these socks that I ordered. So let's open these up. We have other socks too that I kind of wanted to get, but I didn't get everything I wanted. But I got a good decent amount. But yeah, so these are the socks that I got. They have the photo of the doll to Halloween Town, and then on the back it says Our Town of Halloween. So that's what it says on the back of them. I think they'll be really comfy, and they also have this like confetti design at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, so these are really cool. So I really like these. Next thing we have is this sweatshirt that I really wanted. So here is the sweatshirt. Oh, it's actually long sleeves. Okay, I thought it was actually a sweatshirt, but it's long sleeves. So here's this long sleeves shirt. It's like crop top. I think this is so cute. It has Zero and a tombstone on it. It says, "And to all a frightened night." I think it's really cute. And it has this like washout purple like design to it. And I think it's really cute. I'm not into this whole crop top thing, but like I can just wear a tank top underneath it. But yeah, I think this is really cute. I love Zero so much. So I'm definitely going to wear that. That is cute. Sorry, I keep looking at my senses, so that's why I'm looking in a weird angle, because I want to make sure the camera does not die for this. Okay, so here is the next item. I have another shirt here. I think this shirt is so cute. So here it is. It says "We're simply meant to be" on it, and I just love this background. I love the color. It has pink and purple and bats flying out and of course the saying, and it is just really cute. And this is just a cute shirt to just like throw on, and I just really love it. So yeah, I have that shirt. And then the next thing that I have here is a pair of shorts that I really like. I love these like black and white shorts, and when I saw they have one with Jack on it, I'm like, oh my god, I need them. So here they are. They have Jack on the side of them, and it says all hail the Pumpkin King. I think that's really cute. And the back is just normal. It just has that logo there of Jack, but they're just like regular shorts, and they're stretchy, really good for the gym or just chilling. So I really like them. So the next item I really love, I got this t-shirt dress of Sally's outfit, and I really love this. They had it in plus sizes first, and I was like, man, I really wish they had this in my size, and they eventually came out with it, and I'm so happy about it. So here it is. I just want to check something once. Okay, this might be too big on me because I did order a medium, but it probably would definitely fit me still. So this is what they look like. The only thing I don't like about it is for this, they add pink instead of purple because her dress is purple, not pink. That's the only thing that bothers me about this. But yeah, because I also have sweatpants, and I really love them, but they got the like the yellow look like an orange, so sometimes they like messes up on like the originally patterned dress. But this is still cute, and it's really gonna be cute to throw on. Like, it would be cute with high heels, to be honest, or like boots with high-end socks. It would be so cute. So I cannot wait to wear this. And even though I got it and kind of big, I think it's gonna be big on me. It's still gonna look cute. So then the next thing is another shirt. And I have 8%. We'll make it. So this is a shirt I got. It looks like it's gonna be too big on me, honestly. Like, Hot Topic sizes are so weird. So this is what it looks like. It's just a striped shirt, and I think it would just be really cute because I love stripes. And it has Jack's head right there, as you can see. The thing looks really weird. It's not what I expect it to be. The material is kind of like not that well made, to be honest. This is probably my least favorite thing that I got, just because it kind of looks poorly made. I don't usually say that about Hot Topic, but I don't know, I'm just not really impressed by this. But it's so cute though. I'm definitely gonna still wear it. So my last clothing item is these pants that I got. So I have a jacket to match these, but I'm selling it because the logo on the back came off. So I'm really hoping these don't come off. And there was a lot of like bad review on the jacket, so I'm hoping the pants will be fine as well. Well, won't come off, that's what I meant. But yeah, it says this it says Pumpkin King on it, and then it has Jack's face on it. And the jacket I had had a huge logo of this, and it came off, and a lot of people said it did too. So I was debating on ordering or not. So these look like they're gonna be way too big on me. I ordered a medium, and I probably should have ordered a small. Oh my goodness, that's the only thing about shopping online. You don't know your different sizes. But yeah, I got these, the velvet, and I think they're gonna be really comfy. I love sweatpants. I'm just really nervous about the logo, if they're gonna come off or not, but let's hope it doesn't. But yeah, so I'm very excited to wear these. I'm sorry for the new camera placement. I had to get a new battery, so that's why the cameras will move a little bit. But we have 2 more items left, and these 2 items is very special. I got the mystery Hot Topic boxing, and I never did one of these before, so I'm super excited. I have 2 of them here. So basically, it shows you on the back. I don't know if you guys can see that. So you'll get a snow globe, and it can either be the Christmas Town theme or Halloween. You can get Jack, Sally, the mayor, Oogie Boogie, then the toy teddy bear. You can get Zero, Santa Jack, and then the 3 trick-or-treaters. And so yeah, I'm hoping to get 0. I totally blacked out there. I'm really hoping to get 0. I don't really care what town he's in. I just really want to get him, and I actually ordered 3 more of these because they had a buy 2 get 1 free. So if I get 0, I'm gonna be kind of upset, but I'm also very happy. But yeah, so let's open them up. I'm gonna open this one up now, and just again, this is what the packaging looks like on here. So if you guys cannot see, it's like really dark in my room. I try to turn the lights on. So yeah, so let's open these up. I'm really nervous to see which one I got. So let's see. Oh, I know what I got right away. Okay, I can see what I got. So it's gonna be really hard to get out of the package because it has that foam around it, and I would not like to ruin the box, but this is gonna be a struggle getting out. I'm gonna stop the camera now. I'm gonna keep filming once I got it figured out. So I'm getting it out now. So the one I got, oh my god, this is so cute. I got the Santa Jack one, and I'm actually wrong with what I said. I didn't know this, but it's actually Christmas Town Land, and then on the side is Halloween Town. I don't know if you guys can see it because it's black, but I got the Santa Jack one, which I love. I love this one. I'm glad that I got this. This was another one that I actually wanted. So yeah, I'm super happy with this. I think it's so cute. It's really cute. Cute for Christmas. So I got Santa Jack here. So I have one more. Let's see if it's 0 or not. I really hope it's 0. I'm so hoping it is. Okay, I cannot tell what it is. I could tell because I could see Jack's head. This one I cannot tell. So I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna try to open it up better. I'm gonna take it out. Like again, I don't know which one it is because I can't tell which one it is. So let's see. I got the mayo. Ooh. Wow. Oh my god, that was funny. Okay, so I got the mayo. So here he is. Pretty cool because on the back of him he has a different face. So yeah, I think this is really cool. I really like the ones I got actually. This wasn't one of the ones I really wanted, but I'm so happy that I got Santa Jack. Again, I really want to get 0, but I have 3 more coming, so hopefully I don't get the same ones and get different little figure things. So I think these are so adorable, and they'll make like really great gifts if you have someone that really loves Night for Christmas. So I think these are just really cute. And you also, I just took notice of this, but you can turn, like if you want him to be facing Halloween Town, you can have it there. Christmas, you can have it there. I legit just took notice of that. These are legit such recommends. I definitely recommend getting these. These are so adorable. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Sorry the video was kind of crappy. I was really worrying about my lighting, and this was the best time to film, so it's like dark time. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my haul that I did. So give it a thumbs up, and happy Halloween, because it's gonna be close to Halloween when I upload this, and this is probably my first upload, maybe. I'm not too sure. I have so many videos I've been uploading, so I kind of lost count what I'm gonna upload first. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.